Transform expectations and redefine your space. Discover the Stretchmaster ceiling installation, paired with Barasol stretch ceilings, where innovation meets elegance in architectural design. Every detail is measured. Our solutions deliver flawless ceilings that inspire, whether in high-profile commercial projects or signature residential spaces. Picture seamless light integration and perfectly balanced acoustics, engineered for environments that demand both beauty and performance. Choose your vision: recessed, suspended, or entirely bespoke. Each system adapts effortlessly to your creative ambitions, opening doors to organic curves, soft diffused lighting, and dynamic forms. Precision crafted locally, yet trusted by renowned architects across the globe. Behind every ceiling is world-class manufacturing, proven durability, and international recognition. These are foundations for projects that stand the test of time. Elevate your next design. Experience Stretchmaster and Barasol, ceiling solutions for those who demand excellence.